Welcome to you all in chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss universal indicator and pH. Very important topic of this chapter. First of all, why do we need universal indicator when we already have natural indicator, synthetic indicator and olfactory indicator? To understand this, let's take two solutions A and B. One is acidic, other is basic. You can test it by using natural indicator or synthetic indicator. Let's say A acidic और B क्या है basic. Now test it with litmus solution. In acidic medium blue क्या हो जाएगा red. But in basic blue litmus no change. Now with red litmus, in this case red no change, but in this case red litmus क्या हो जाएगा blue. Suppose we have two acidic and two basic solution. Now which one is stronger acid out of A and C, and which of two is stronger base out of B and D? These indicators, that is natural, synthetic and olfactory indicator, give us no clue. These indicators tell us only whether the solution is acidic or basic. Therefore, we need an indicator that tells us the strength of acid or base. That is, how strong or weak a particular acid or base. That indicator is universal indicator. Now, what is this universal indicator? Universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators, and it show different colors. See on the bottle. It show different colors at different H positive ion concentration present in the solution. It helps to know whether the solution is acidic, basic or neutral, but also helps to know strength of acid or base, and it is based on pH scale. Now what is this pH or pH scale? pH scale for finding H positive ion concentration in the solution. It is introduced by Sorensen. pH. In pH, P stands for potential, that is power or potential. Or pH में H stands for hydrogen and hydrogen ion concentration. Mathematically, pH is equal to negative logarithm of hydrogen ion present in the solution or hydrogen ion concentration in solution. pH value and hydrogen ion concentration are inversely proportional. H positive ion present in solution. They are inversely proportional. Now, pH scale. pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. 0 means very acidic, 14 means very basic or alkaline. If pH 7, then it is neutral. If pH less than 7, then solution is acidic. If pH more than 7, तो solution क्या होगा हमारा basic. If value of pH is 0, then it is highly acidic. If pH 14, then highly basic or highly alkaline. You can use pH paper or universal indicator as a solution. pH of neutral solution is 7. If pH is 7, then solution is neutral. If pH less than 7, if pH is less than 7, then it is acidic solution. As the pH decrease, as the value of pH decrease from 7 to 0, value of pH decrease from 7 to 0, it means there is increase in H positive ion concentration in the solution. It means acidic nature increasing. Okay. If value of pH more than 7, that means basic solution. As the pH increase from 7 to 14, 7 to 14, it means increase in OH negative ion concentration in the solution or basic nature increasing. Okay. If pH 7, then solution is as neutral. If pH less than 7, then acidic. If pH value more than 7, then it is basic. Value 0 means highly acidic. Value 14 on pH scale, that is very basic, or you can say alkaline. Importance of pH. As you know, if the pH of solution is 7, then it is neutral solution. If it is less than 7, then it is acidic. If it is more than 7, then it is basic. pH is useful in checking the acidic and basic strength of solution. Apart from that, pH is useful to us in number of ways. Most of chemical reaction taking place in human body ranges from 7 to 7.8. pH of blood is 7.4. 7.4. When the pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, less than 5.6 mean acidic. Okay, that acidic rain is due to carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide in rainwater. When acid rain flows into the river, then it lowers the pH of river water, and the survival of aquatic life in such rivers becomes difficult. Soil pH and plant growths. Plants have healthy growth only when the soil has specific pH range. To check the pH of the soil, there is an activity, that is activity 2.1 of NCERT. Activity 2.12 of NCERT. For this, step number 1, put 2 grams of soil in a test tube and add 5 ml of water. It's step number 1. Then step number 2, shake the content of the test tube. Third, filter it. And collect the filtrate in the test tube. And the next step, step number 4, check the pH of filtrate with the help of pH paper. And step number 5, check it from the pH chart. What is the pH of the soil? pH in digestive system. Yes. Stomach produces hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. It helps in digestion of food. But if there is production of too much acid, that causes pain and irritation, and this is known as acidity. Okay, and it is cured by using antacids. These antacids neutralize the excess acid. Milk of magnesia, that is magnesium hydroxide, a mild base used for this purpose, that is used to neutralize the effect of acid. Magnesium hydroxide, that is milk of magnesia. pH change as a cause of tooth decay. Tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate. It is the hardest substance of the body, not dissolved, and is corroded only. Tooth decay starts only when the pH of the mouth is below 5.5. When it is below 5.5. Bacteria present in the mouth, pH below 5.5 means acidic. Now acid produce कैसे हो रहा है? Bacteria present in the mouth produce acid by the degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. The best way to prevent it is to use toothpaste or to clean the mouth after eating food. These toothpaste are basics and therefore they neutralize the effect of excess acid and prevent the tooth decay. Bee sting leaves acid. The acid present in the bee sting is methanoic acid. That is methanoic acid or formic acid, which cause pain and irritation, and it is neutralized by mild base like baking soda on the stung area which gives relief. It's a baking soda. That is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Nettle leaves causes painful sting when touched accidentally. The acid present in these are methanoic acid, or you can say formic acid. Formic acid is formalized HCOOH. And its traditional remedy is rubbing the area with the leaf of dock plant. It means nature provides neutralization reactions.